So this exercise is standing on a slope. You can see I have just a wedge down here basically, but you can use it just like an incline or a slope. So I can face towards the wedge with my toes higher than my heels, and it's like I'm going uphill. But you'll notice the tendency when you go up a hill like that is to lose your balance posteriorly. So the patient standing still is going to have to make an adjustment at the ankle to be able to maintain their balance. We could turn around on that slope and go downhill where the heels are higher than the toes. And the opposite is going to be the case here. The tendency is going to be to lose that balance forward. So they're going to have to make an adjustment back to be able to maintain that balance. But that's static standing on a slope. It could be incline, decline. If this was a bigger slope, I could do it at a cross slope. But that's just to help get your patients ready for uneven terrains. Where I live, it's a hill country, so we have slopes and hills all over the place. So I just tell my patient, if you don't like standing on the slopes that we have here, then you pick to live in the wrong part of the country. You might need to go live somewhere where it's flat, like Florida. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next exercise.